for boots on little feet. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for duck who says quack, quack, sir. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who hops all day. G is for grapes you love to munch. H is for hat you wear for lunch. I is for igloo made of ice. J is for jelly that wiggles nice. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon that glows so bright. N is for nest tucked in just right. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda up in a tree. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rain that falls straight down. S is for sun so warm and round. T is for train with a chugging sound. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that softly plays. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone played by you. Y is for yo-yo spinning fast. Z is for zebra trotting past.